Hello everybody, my name is Honame Nwagosenu, Director for Policy Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation at the Kofi Annan International Peacekeeping Training Center, KAIPTC for short. This is us from the KAIPTC inviting you to participate in our 6th annual Kofi Annan-Dag Hammarskjold lecture. We do this in collaboration with the Dag Hammarskjold Foundation to celebrate the legacies of His Excellencies Kofi Annan and Dag Hammarskjold, the 2nd and 7th Secretary Generals of the United Nations. Do join us live on Facebook and Twitter on Wednesday, the 3rd of October 2018 at 10 a.m. prompt. To speak at this special event is Mr. Adama Dieng, Special Advisor to the Secretary General on the Prevention of Genocide. And chairing this event is Her Excellency Christine Evans-Clark, the United Nations Resident Coordinator for Ghana. Share your views with us and your comments as well, and don't miss this. Thank you.